Super welcome back to the channel. Frank here. I'm super excited to share with you this new format, and this is going to be the first week of my diary. It's kind of vlog, but it's about sharing what I'm doing in AI automation for business. As you might know, I moved from building e-commerce platform after I sold my company, and I joined that group as a manager, where I was building headless platform for high performing front end, optimizing very little detail to gain additional performance in revenues. And after what happened with AI, I just completely blew up my mind. I had to move into AI automation because it's such a big leverage for cost saving and optimizing performance. So I have so many things to share with you that happened this week, so let's get started. So what we are doing for the companies is to map out all different processes, how they are run currently with like standard and manual procedures, and we are designing and re-engineering the processes to be run with multiple tasks completely managed by AI. This is an example, very concrete and practical, for the shooting and production of content for e-commerce, where you start with the still life image, which is shot traditionally. Then you use the technique of a virtual try-on and other technique to upscale and create the details and animate and create a video content, and even for like creating ambientation around the subject, all these 4 steps are made with AI. So this is how you AI engineer a process, and this is a real example of AI automation. So it's very interesting because you can have a very big cost saving, but also work a lot on enhancing the output. So in this case, you can have 3x, 2 times, 5 times the actual output for the single kind of image. So as you can see, you can really leverage AI to reduce the number of input and the budget required to run an activity, and skyrocket the number of the output. But it's just the beginning of what I've been doing in the luxury industry this week. So I have something to show you, which is an example of content for luxury. I'm gonna play this, then I'm gonna pop it on the screen, probably better. So this video is entirely directed by my team, and it's completely made with AI, so there is no real actor involved. And the actual product, which is this very luxury furniture, was completely animated, starting from a very simple shot, which is just a still life shot from the e-commerce. So as you can see, this has a very big potential to take like the communication and marketing of a very high luxury product company like this one. I think that this furniture is sold for over 150K, so it's a very luxury table in marble and with specific production characteristics. So yeah, it was very interesting to start diving into this kind of niche of the luxury, and I think, and I really believe that AI automation can really boost and improve all the marketing and communication experience for sales and business to consumer too. The focus of my activity is much more around the cost saving plan right now, because it's the step 1. So I'm testing different ways to really help entrepreneurs and C-level understand it. So this week we went and to meet this company, this group, with a friend, and I think it was very successful because we got a great exchange with the manager and great discussion around how to use and to introduce the AI automation for business. And I feel proud because it's not very easy to distinguish what we are doing, which is re-engineering processes, compared to all the buzz and all the tools, all the discussion there is around ChatGPT, new version of something, DeepSeek coming out. And so we are working on very concrete introduction of AI inside a company compared to the all the buzz and the rumors. But it's when they make this shift, understand it can be really so useful for their budget and very, very useful for their operation. So people that are running repetitive tasks can really get saved from these machines to do less of, every day, every time, the same task in a loop, and do something which requires really human creativity and critical thinking. It's really, really nice. And I had the chance to test many of these projects with my main partner, which is Mona Lisa, a company in the fashion for kids, and it's run by my great friend Matteo, and I'm a fraction manager for them for AI automation and for digital performance. So I'm supervising all the e-commerce tech projects and performance marketing projects. So this week I spent some days in the showroom working with the team, and we are going on the second run of application of AI for the catalog, for the shooting, improving the customer journey, all the area of the website that need to be improved, as important customer journey for the core business and new perimeters that we are developing. And I'm very excited because we are testing the solution for CRM segmentation with AI. So we are using it already for part of the catalog work, for the description and for the localization of the content, but now we are switching into the auto tagging for categories, for tags for end use, for aesthetics tags. So now we can segmentate our customers based on the product purchases and different behaviors by having this very advanced tagging, which were nearly impossible to have before. To show you these two slides. So this is an extract of the outline of the project that are actually part of the saving plan. So we are optimizing content for the virtual showroom for B2B sales, the lookbooks, the off-price content for the outlet. So we're thinking many different ways to create content with AI instead of using the traditional way of moving the product, going to location, renting, model, staff, photographer, and everything. So the second step, they said, is not just saving, but it's also about the transformation. So our goal is to 10x at least the e-commerce content, to have 3 times the number of social media content, video specifically. And we're also working, as I said, a lot on the product and customer segmentation, so on the CRM area. And this makes very clear, this table, the difference between having or not having the AI support with the team. So this is what currently the company is able to deliver, generic content for e-commerce, social media, segmentation, very basic CRM journeys and sales pages. But the real need of the company around the core business, which in this case is kidswear, so it's girl, newborn, and all the gifting area, boy and teen as a new target perimeter, are not supported with the current budget. So by introducing AI with this new incredible efficiency we can have, this old pink area is what we can cover. So we can have much better content for girls, social content. We can enable segmentation for all at the business perimeters and really work on improved customer journeys for the CRM and specific sales pages for the business.
You got me feeling so good. So good. You got me feeling so good.
I hope you enjoyed this new format, and it's the first week, so I'm still getting used about documenting everything, but I feel like it's a very interesting challenge for myself, and to give a little bit more attention of what I'm doing and documenting it, making it more clear for my business. And I think some of the things we are doing could be very helpful for all the entrepreneurs C-level that are still not very aware of what AI automation is. And I really believe it's such a huge opportunity. If you are interested in the topic, you could find very useful the book I wrote. It's coming out in English. It's now out in Italian on Amazon, but AItraction.com, you can still subscribe and get a preview also for the English version, and stay tuned for the official release. So it's very nice fairy tale to teach you all about AI automation, and it has a second part where it's filled with very interesting success cases of AI introduction in business. So make sure to check it out. See you in the next week vlog.